I tested 5 different AI side hustles for 7 days. No fake screenshots, no hype, just real results. If you're looking for extra cash, this video could save you time and disappointment. I tried everything: freelancing, digital products, microtasks, and more. Can you really make money online with AI in a week? Let's find out. Let's get into it. Let's talk about freelancing with AI tools for writing services. The reality, not the hype. You've probably seen countless videos promising easy money with ChatGPT or Jasper, but what's it actually like to dive in and try to make a living this way? I decided to find out for myself. I signed up on Fiverr and Upwork, the 2 biggest freelancing platforms, and started experimenting with ChatGPT and Jasper to generate content for potential clients. The tools themselves are impressive. Within seconds, you can whip up blog posts, product descriptions, or even social media captions. But before you can even think about landing a client, you have to set up your profiles. That means writing catchy bios, uploading professional photos, and creating writing samples that show off what you and your AI tools can do. This process took days, not hours. I wanted to stand out, so I spent extra time tweaking every detail. Once my profiles were live, I started reaching out to potential clients. I cold messaged dozens of people, pitching my AI-powered writing services. Most of my messages were ignored, and my inbox stayed painfully empty. It felt like shouting into the void. By day 4, desperation kicked in. I slashed my prices to rock bottom, hoping to attract any attention at all. I hustled on social media, posting in Facebook groups and tweeting about my services, trying to drum up interest wherever I could. Finally, on day 6, I got a notification: my first order. It was for a tiny blog post, and the pay was barely enough to buy a cup of coffee. But it felt like a huge win after days of silence. After a full week of grinding, my freelancing earnings were minimal. The numbers on my dashboard were almost laughable. Definitely not the easy money I'd seen promised online. Here's the hard truth. AI makes writing faster and easier, but getting clients is still incredibly tough. The competition is fierce and buyers are flooded with offers. Just having access to AI doesn't guarantee you'll stand out, but if you stick with it, keep improving your profile, and slowly build up positive reviews, the long-term potential is real. Over time, those first few clients can turn into repeat business, and your reputation starts to work for you. Most experienced freelancers will tell you the first orders are always the hardest. Breaking through that initial wall takes patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn from rejection. In just 7 days, don't expect to make much. It's a slow start, and you'll probably spend more time waiting than working. But if you're patient and keep pushing, this can eventually become a serious income stream. Forget about overnight riches. Freelancing with AI is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to build trust, credibility, and a steady flow of clients. If you're willing to grind, learn, and adapt, it can absolutely be worth it. The journey is tough, but the rewards are real for those who stick with it. But in just a week, making real money is almost impossible. The truth is, success in freelancing, AI or not, takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. Next, I dove into the world of Canva design, this time exploring how artificial intelligence could supercharge my creativity. I started by experimenting with Canva's AI-powered tools to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. The process was surprisingly intuitive, even for someone with no formal design background. With just a few clicks, I could generate vibrant graphics, adjust layouts, and try out different color schemes, all guided by AI suggestions that made my work look polished and professional. I didn't stop at thumbnails. I explored Instagram post templates, played around with logo designs, and even tried my hand at creating banners for social media. Canva's vast library of templates and AI-driven design elements made it easy to experiment with different styles and formats, helping me quickly build a diverse set of samples. What really stood out was how fast and enjoyable the process became. With AI handling the heavy lifting, I could focus on being creative without worrying about technical details or client demands. Each design felt like a mini project, and the instant feedback from Canva's smart tools kept me motivated to try new things. Within just a few days, I had built a solid portfolio of designs. I shared my work on social media platforms and posted samples in Facebook groups dedicated to freelancers and digital creators. The response was encouraging. People appreciated the fresh ideas and polished look of my designs. My posts started getting likes, positive comments, and even a few shares. It felt great to see my work being noticed, and it gave me a boost of confidence. However, despite the attention, I quickly realized that appreciation doesn't always translate into paid opportunities. I listed my services on Fiverr, hoping to land my first client. Instead, I mostly received requests for free samples or test designs, but no actual orders. It was a bit discouraging, but I understood that building trust and credibility as a new designer takes time. The truth is, designing with AI tools like Canva is incredibly beginner-friendly. You don't need years of experience to start creating impressive visuals. But turning those skills into a steady income is a different challenge. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to keep learning. Still, the biggest win for me was the portfolio I built and the valuable skills I picked up along the way. Every design I created added to my experience and made me more confident in my abilities. If you're just starting out in the world of online hustling, Canva with AI is a fantastic entry point. It's accessible, fun, and gives you a chance to learn by doing, without a steep learning curve. After 7 days, I hadn't made any money, but I gained something even more valuable: a boost in skill, confidence, and a sense of progress. My wallet was still empty, but my portfolio was growing, and so was my belief in what I could achieve. Sometimes, the lessons you learn and the skills you develop are worth more than quick cash. The journey itself can be incredibly rewarding, especially when you see your own growth. Don't expect instant money from your first week, but don't underestimate how much you can learn in just a few days. Every hour spent experimenting and creating adds up. Stick with it, keep improving your craft, and eventually the clients and income will follow. Remember, building a creative career is a long game, but every step forward counts. Third, I tackled microtasks, labeling images, checking data, transcribing audio. Platforms like Mechanical Turk and Remotasks let you start earning right away. No setup drama, just click and work. I zipped through tasks, but after an hour, I'd made less than 50 rupees. Grinding through tasks all week, my total was about 700 rupees. The upside? You earn from day one, no clients needed. The downside? The pay is tiny and doesn't really grow. Tasks get easier, but payouts stay low. Microtasks are perfect for quick pocket money, not a real income. The work is repetitive, with no real growth. Good for students or spare time, but not a long-term solution. Fastest way to earn your first online rupee, but the slowest way to make a living. Use it for experience, not for serious income. Move on when you're ready for more. Next, I dove into the world of YouTube automation with AI, a fascinating experiment where I started a faceless channel from scratch. The idea was simple: use artificial intelligence to handle as much of the content creation process as possible. I began by creating YouTube shorts, leveraging AI-generated voices so I didn't have to record my own. This approach is perfect for anyone who's camera shy or wants to stay anonymous, and it's surprisingly accessible thanks to the range of free and paid AI tools available online. On day one, I set up the channel, brainstormed a niche that could attract consistent viewers, and used an AI script generator to whip up video ideas and scripts in minutes. I sourced stock footage to match the scripts, making sure each short was visually engaging. The process felt almost like running a mini production studio from my laptop with AI as my creative partner. Editing, however, was more time-consuming than I expected. Even with AI, it took hours to get the pacing, visuals, and voiceovers just right. My first few shorts barely got any views, just a trickle here and there. By day 3, I'd uploaded 5 shorts, hoping one would catch the algorithm's attention. Watching the analytics, I realized that growth on YouTube is rarely instant, especially for new channels. I started tweaking thumbnails and titles, experimenting with different AI-generated hooks and descriptions to see what might boost click-through rates. It's a constant process of trial and error, testing, learning, and adapting. YouTube rewards persistence, but it's slow going at first. There's no money until you hit big milestones like monetization, and that can take weeks or even months. After 7 days, I hadn't made a single rupee, but I did gain 25 subscribers, and one short finally crossed 1,000 views. That small win felt huge. It was proof that with patience and the right strategy, progress is possible. Every new subscriber and view is a step forward, even if the numbers seem tiny at first. The real advantage of YouTube automation is how quickly you can scale. With AI tools, I could generate scripts, voiceovers, and videos much faster than doing everything manually. This allowed me to upload more content in less time, increasing my chances of hitting on a viral idea. Consistency is key. Uploading regularly helps the algorithm notice your channel, and over time, your efforts start to snowball. If you're looking for quick money, YouTube automation probably isn't for you. But if you're willing to play the long game, keep learning and stay consistent, it's a legit path to building a real online income stream. For creators who love experimenting and building something from scratch, YouTube automation is absolutely worth the effort. Finally, I tried digital products, using AI to create templates, planners, and guides to sell on Gumroad and Etsy. I designed a budget planner, daily routine template, and study tracker in hours. Listing them online was easy, but getting traffic was tough. In 7 days, my shops had almost no visitors and 0 sales. I shared links on Reddit and Facebook, learned basic marketing, and tried a tiny ad. Still, no sales. The lesson? Making the product is just step 1. You need marketing and patience. Digital products are a slow burn, but the upside is huge once you get sales. Set everything up in a weekend, but making money takes time and effort. If you're patient and willing to learn, this can become real passive income. In a week, don't expect miracles. This is for long-term thinkers, but the potential is massive. After 7 days, here's the truth. Freelancing with AI is tough at first, but can pay off if you stick with it. Canva design builds skills fast, but clients take time. Microtasks pay quickly, but the income is tiny. YouTube automation is slow, but scalable if you're patient. Digital products are the ultimate passive income, but require marketing and time. No AI side hustle gives instant money. There's no magic button. Stick with one hustle for 30 to 90 days, and you can build real income. Take action, and let's make something real.